Assalamu alaikum elders, brothers and sisters. This is Muhammad Sib live here in Rehanli, Hatay, Turkey. And today we're doing a project as a social psycho service to the kids here. So we're having a haircut for these kids who didn't have it since the earthquake. And they're so happy to receive a haircut. And we're going to having their nails cut as well. So it's going to be like not a proper manicure and a pedicure, but it'll be something somewhat like that. So you can see this kid, he's having his haircut, and all of them, you see the smiles on the faces because they didn't get such a smile since 20 days since the earthquake. Wallahi, they're so happy. See this guy, how is he enjoying his haircut here? Mashallah, mashallah. So alhamdulillah, we're going to be having a haircut for the boys and the girls, and then we'll have it for the men, inshallah. Jazakallah khair, thank you so much. Keep on donating so we can return their smiles back, which they was lost between them. Subhanallah. So if you want to be part of that smile, come on, join hands with us, and inshallah you'll get the reward for this. Assalamu alaikum.